baqinisile bona because like if like uyi-dark-i or mnyama, abantu bahlezi like bekudulisha ngobumnyama bakho. And I don't know why. But mina ngisengafesana-ke nalawo ma-challenges ukuthi nje if ngisesikoleni, I think it was a primary, yes, it was a primary. Abantu babengibiza ngomnyamani, ngangumnyamani nje esikoleni because like of my dark skin. So ngabona ukuthi guys, ngangathandi even though kwakumele ngiye esikoleni ngoba ngeke ngikwazi ukuyeka isikole because abantu ababengifona ngobumnyama bami, ngangeke ngikwazi. So kahle kahle-ke i-modeling iyona engisizile ukuthi ngikwazi ukuba welcome ubumnyama wami. That's why ngibizwa ngo-Miss Blair. That's why I am Miss Blair, my nickname. Ngobani? Ngimnyama vele ngoba vele umnyama, guys, that is beautiful.